Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I hope you all are safe. And friends, in this video you'll get to know about the most awaited cruiser bike from Honda Motors, and it is going to be the tough option to choose between the bikes of the same category, and the bike is none other than Honda Highness CB350. So friends, I'll tell you everything about this bike. So please friends, don't skip this video, watch this till the end, and if you like this video then don't forget to hit the like button. So without wasting any time, let's get started to our video. So friends, first of all, I'm really very sorry that it's been a month that I have not posted any video since I was busy in shifting to a different place, and I'll make sure that from this week onwards I'll post the video in regular pattern. So friends, now going ahead with the launch of the all new Honda Highness CB350, the Honda Two Wheelers India has joined the middleweight modern classic category. As you can see, the motorcycle will be sold in the country by Honda's luxury large big wing dealerships, friends, which usually sold the flagship models of the company. And friends, the two models of this particular bike is DLX and DLX Pro, which is going to be sold in this showroom. And friends, the Honda Highness CB350 has joined the increasingly growing retro motorcycle genre, consisting of the newly launched Royal Enfield Meteor, Royal Enfield Classic 350, the Java Standard and the Benelli Imperial 400, friends. And friends, as you can see, with the style which is heavily inspired by larger Honda CB 1100EX, and doesn't matter friends that Honda has approved it too. And since, as you can see, a round headlamp, a curved fuel tank, a tan leather bench or the seat is also available, the chopped fenders and the chrome finished exhaust all are given, means there is nothing that you can point it out. And friends, also the existence of the blacked out parts and the alloy wheels meanwhile still gives its a retro charm and modern look too. If you see, the CB350 has been launched by the Honda with an option of 3 colors per model, friends. The DLX version gets a pearl night star black color, precious red metallic and a matte Marshall green metallic color, which complements with the tan brown seat in all the models. And friends, meanwhile the DLX Pro model, which is quite expensive from the DLX model, it comes with two-tone colors, which includes the pearl night black color, the matte steel black metallic color with silver stripes, and an athletic blue metallic paint that features white strips on the tank, friends. Friends, now going further into the video, in the feature list if you see, although it fits in a retro cosmetic design, it is a pure contrast and consists of modern features too with the retro design also. A full LED lighting system is included. A semi-digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity is also given. Also, this bike comes with traction control, dual channel ABS and a slipper clutch is also available in it. And friends, talking about the powertrain, then it is having a 4-stroke spark ignition engine, which is a BS6 compliant obviously, 348cc single cylinder air cooled unit engine that comes coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission, friends. Friends, talking about some basic features which is available in both DLX and DLX Pro model, then as you can see, it has a cruiser type of body in it. It has a single seat type of option only, and the meter consists of analog plus digital combined system. It has a clock in it too. Talking about the braking of the bike, both at the front and the rear you get the disc brake support system in it. Friends, talking about the chassis and the suspension, which is most important, then at the front you get the telescopic front suspension, and friends, at the rear you get twin hydraulic rear suspension, which is quite good for the cruiser bike. And friends, talking about the chassis, then it has a half duplex cradle design in it, which quite looks classy as well as modern too. Friends, coming to the wheel type of the bike, then it has an alloy type of bike in it, which obviously comes with tubeless tire in it. And friends, talking about the dimension of the bike, it has a fuel tank capacity of 15 liters. And friends, talking about the overall weight, then it is quite bulky, so that's why the weight is 181 kgs. Friends, talking about the warranty on this bike, Then this bike comes with a standard warranty of 3 plus 3 years. Now friends, after all this, coming back to the most important factor which I always used to say is the price of the bike. Then friends, talking about the DLX model, then it has been priced at 1.85 lakh rupees, which is ex-showroom price in Delhi. And after including everything, the on-road price in Delhi becomes 2.09 lakh rupees. And friends, same for the DLX Pro model, the ex-showroom price is 1.9 lakh rupees, which is 5,000 more from the DLX model. And after everything, the on-road price becomes 2.15 lakh rupees, which you compare from the DLX on-road price, then it becomes 6,000 rupees more. So friends, I think better you go for the DLX Pro model, as you get some extra features in it with just spending of 5 to 6,000 rupees. So friends, that's all about the today's video. Did you like this video or not, and did you like the information which I shared or not? Please do tell me by commenting down in the comment section. And friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And friends, if you are new to my channel, then please friends hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon near to it so that you won't miss any of the notifications of my upcoming videos. And friends, as I said, I will post the videos in the regular pattern from now onwards. And friends, please share this video too with your friends also, and ask them to subscribe it too, as I am going to post some exclusive content about the cars and bikes. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. Be safe, have fun, keep watching, and I'll see you in my next video.